Austin captures this bizarre lady doing, well, bizarre things. Take a look.
I really is. I really see it. I don't know what the fuck you're seeing, but you don't get no.
She has like a rain that I guess that's the thing where it protects you from the rain or whatever. I don't know what she has on her. It looks like a trash bag.
Say hi.
Stay off the drugs, bro. She on those drugs, bro.
I really wish I would use. Can I come in?
You can't come in.
She's on those drugs.
But I don't. Okay.
She's either really drunk or she's on those drugs, bro.
I'm really okay. I'm just freezing outside. I'm all by myself. I haven't been weeks. Alright, I've been in prison, kind of. But anyways, y'all have a good night. See you later, and bye.
How would you have reacted to this?